Today we're covering a major defense update from Pakistan, the new 2026 JF-17 Thunder, a fighter jet that continues to evolve with modern technology, upgraded weapons, and improved combat performance. Overview of the 2026 JF-17 Thunder. The 2026 JF-17 Thunder represents the latest evolution of Pakistan's multi-role fighter program. Designed for air superiority, strike missions, and all-weather operations, this version focuses on better situational awareness, survivability, and mission flexibility. Upgraded avionics and radar. The new variant is expected to feature an enhanced AESA radar, offering longer detection range, improved target tracking, and stronger resistance to electronic jamming. Advanced cockpit displays, updated mission computers, and improved data link systems boost pilot awareness during complex combat scenarios. Weapons and combat capability. The 2026 JF-17 supports a wide range of modern air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons. It can carry beyond visual range missiles, precision-guided bombs, and advanced standoff weapons, making it effective against both aerial and ground threats. Engine and performance improvements. Refinements in engine management and aerodynamics improve thrust efficiency, maneuverability, and operational reliability. These upgrades enhance the aircraft's performance in high-altitude and hot-weather environments. Electronic warfare and survivability. An upgraded electronic warfare suite improves threat detection, jamming capability, and self-protection. Enhanced radar warning receivers and countermeasure systems increase survivability against modern air defense systems. Why the 2026 JF-17 matters. The new 2026 JF-17 Thunder strengthens Pakistan's air combat capability while remaining cost-effective. Its continuous upgrades ensure it stays relevant against modern threats and competitive with other contemporary fighter jet.